Excuse me, could you please help me for a second? I am having a lot of trouble with my suitcase. It just doesn't seem to fit in this overhead bin.
Of course. Let me see. Yes, this compartment is already quite full with other passengers' bags. Let me try to turn your suitcase sideways to see if it fits better.
I think it might be too thick. I put too many things inside it this morning.
No, it's still not closing properly. I'm afraid there is no more space in this row. May I take your bag and put it in the overhead compartment a few rows further back? There is plenty of room there.
Yes, that is fine with me. But will I be able to get my things from the bag during the flight if I need them?
Yes, you can get it once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. However, it is much better to take out anything you might need now, like your books, headphones, or any important medicine. It is difficult to move around the cabin once the food service starts.
That is a very good idea. Give me one moment, please. I need to take out my laptop and my charger as well. Can I keep my laptop with me at my seat?
Yes, you can keep your laptop under the seat in front of you, but please remember to keep it inside its protective bag until after we have finished takeoff and reached a safe altitude.
I understand. I will put it under the seat right now. Is it okay if I keep my jacket in the overhead bin too, or should I hold it?
It is better to put your jacket on top of the suitcases in the bin to save space. Here, I will take it for you.
Thank you so much for your help and your patience. I am much more comfortable now.
You are very welcome. It is my pleasure. Now, please make sure you fasten your seatbelt and turn off your mobile phone or put it on airplane mode. We will be taking off in just a few minutes.
Everything is ready. Thank you again.